Let's work out together a walking bass, easy chords, and a beautiful accompaniment to this really fun song leading us right into the Christmas season. Well, hi there, I'm Kylie and I love to share easy tips and tricks to inspire you to learn the love of music here on piano every Thursday. Well, as we focus on a piano tutorial today, you may already know this Christmas song of Jingle Bells, but I'd love to take you through 5 steps to give some special sounds to your playing. Step number 1, let's create a beautiful accompaniment with only 2 notes with the right hand. So let's start with a G and a C in the right hand here, and let's set up a little rocking pattern. Dashing through the snow, that sort of speed. Rocking, rocking. Letting your hand be nice and free to your pinky, back to your thumb. Stay on there for 3 groups, and then we're going to go up to our A and our C and stay there for another group, and then step both those down to a G and a B. Just let that rock nice and freely there before we return to our G and our C again. Okay, so play this with me. Here we go, and I shall sing along so that you can see how it fits together. So if you've got any family that like to play with you, you might like to set them up 1 finger at a time. They could do maybe that kind of pattern, and little Lees could do the same pattern throughout the whole song. Otherwise, we'll be changing from there out to the A, then down to the G and the B, back to the G and the C. Let's have a go. Here we go. Dashing through the snow in a 1-horse open sleigh. Out to the A. O'er the fields we go, down to the G and the B, laughing all the way, and back on the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. Up again. What fun it is to ride and sing. So on the ride, back to the G, and then a sleighing song is going to go to the G and the B. Sleighing song tonight. Stop there. And then on the O, let's play a G, F, and D together there. O in the right hand. And then we'll be up to our Jingle Bells part. So let's join that all together now. So we've got our G and our C, our A and our C, stay there, then G and B, back to C and G, continue with G and C, stay there, then out to A and C, back to C pattern with the G, G and B, C, and then finish with our G, F and D for our O. Okay, let's put it all together. Here we go. Dashing through the snow in a 1-horse open sleigh, o'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh! Okay, now let's have a go then at maybe adding some bottom part. For step number 2, let's add a bass note as well down here in the left hand, if you can add that also. Otherwise, I'll keep this little accompaniment going and you can do just the bottom note. 1, 2, here we go. Dashing through the snow. Now an A, then an F. And on the F pattern, we have to remember to go up to the A and the C note. Keep it there though when we'll add a D bass. Back to the G and the B for go. Laughing all the, back to the C. So G and C here, C in your left hand. Let's do all that again. Here we go. 1, 2, here we go. Dashing through the snow. A bass in a 1-horse open sleigh. So we've changed to our A and our C there with our F bass. Then D bass. Oh, the fields we go. Back to the G pattern. Laughing all the way. C pattern. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. A pattern in the right hand. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh. Then for that last section, making spirit bright, we'll go to the A and the C on the F in the left hand. I'm continuing to then a D pattern in your left hand, just to throw in a bit of a different bass there, keeping the right hand the same. From what fun, so what fun it is to ride and sing. Once again, throwing in just a little bit of a different bass there. Ride and sing. And then a sleighing song tonight. Pause there, find your G notes, G, F, D, and a G for the O. And back to the beginning again, another option that we could link in is if you want to have a go with your left hand playing the melody. So right hand can set up this little pattern again. And if you want to make it more of an instrumental and play along with your left hand, we can add in the melody notes. Here we go. So that is a fun one. If you have a bit of a family sing-along for this Christmas, you can help to carry everyone and lead the singing. And once again, you can have a little up the top of the piano doing these two notes. Or those two notes would also sound quite pretty while you carry the main piano for a sing-along. Step number 4 to make this a really beautiful carol is to have a fun walking bass in the left hand. This is one of my very favorite parts that we can continue on with the jingle bells, jingle all the way. By having just 4 little notes go down here from our C, B, A, and G. Then do it again. Again. 4 times, and then on the F pattern we're going to go to the F and then up this time to the C. So often in this little bass run it's fun to go down from the note. So we'll do that 4 times for the C, but then with the F we'll go F up, back to the C. Then we'll play a D down, and then let's finish on the G. Now with the G, we could do a bit 1, 2, 3, bounce. So back to the G if you want. So G, up, quickly to finish on the C. And then we'll be at our normal pattern again. 4 times again. 1 more, and then F pattern. C again. D. And instead of going down the 4 notes like we did before, we'll just go 1, 2, 3, because we're ending on a G before the C for our little ending there. I'll step you through. Here we go. So let's go through with our left hand walking bass and put all that together. So C in your left hand. Here we go. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. F pattern. Oh, what fun it is. C again. D pattern. G. And then we've got our funky G, G, A, B flat, B, G, C. And let's do all that again. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. That's our 4 times. F, fun it is to ride in a 1-horse open sleigh. Bouncy jingle bells, 4 times again. The way, F, oh what fun it is to ride. So we go all the way down from our F, up to our C, all the way down again, and then D, B, G. So D and down, down, skip to the G, and C, G, C in the bass there. Okay, we're really running out. Oh no, oh no. Okay, let's see if we can fit one more pattern in then with our walking bass, and then we can also pop in a jump in right hand. So jingle bells, jingle bells. So have these little syncopated moments as well to have an experiment with. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. What fun it is to ride in a 1-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, Well, thanks so much for watching. Catch some more carols and I'll add a link for you to check out as well this week. Happy music making. Ta-da.